This game's complete and utter bullshit. Come on.
Oh,
Come on! You son of a bitch!
Oh, do it! Oh!
Oh, we have to record like the humping. Push the wrong button. Oh my god, really? Oh yeah.
Oh baby.
Oh. Give it to me.
Oh my god.
You like it rough, don't you? Oh.
That's like too far of a gap. You can't get freaking enough speed.
These like freaking like ridges are awkward. Like they're like circular. Like they're not meant for you.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, come on!
Oh, fuck!
Oh.
Oh, shit. Come on, there we go.
Nice.
This is the part I always die on.
There's some. Oh. Don't go too fast. You're gonna freaking fly backwards. No!
You think someone died in our family or something? No!
Brother!
You bastards! Oh my gosh, learn how to ride a bike, you jackass. Seriously, I'm not controlling you. Have a problem there? What's going on? Gosh.
Oh my
How long is
God.
that video?
I can go freaking forever.
Forever.
Ever. Oh shit, low battery. Maybe not forever.
Maybe not much longer. Oh, come on. This game's pissing me. What's the problem? Damn it, you fucker.
Oh, you can do it.
Oh! Well, at least I'm not dead. I have a feeling that this is going to be the time we do it.
I hope so. Oh god, oh god. Oh! Oh!